have some crocodile meat here from Crocodile Creek. We're going to cook it two ways. We're going to throw some on the grill to braai them, and then we're going to make a crocodile curry, and then I'm going to make the first crocodile bunny chow. So this is the crocodile steak that I'm going to put on the grill. I'm going to marinate it first. This is a slice from the tail of the croc. You can see the tailbone in here, and then you can see the fat in here. They say that this is
boneless, eh?
No, there's a bone here. They say it's from the tail, so that's the tailbone of the croc. And they say it's very lean meat, but there's a thick line of marbling of fat in here.
Yeah.
I'd like to see how that comes out on the grill. It's going to taste good, and it's a beautiful cut.
Yeah,
it's very interesting. I didn't think a crocodile steak would look that good. Yeah. And the fire is ready. It's a nice medium heat. My meat is ready. I'm going to prepare this the same way I do a steak. I'm just going to put it on for about 5 minutes on each side, and we'll see how it comes out. Okay, let's give the croc steak a try. That's actually very good. It tastes a lot like a pork chop. So my advice on the croc steak, I did this 5 minutes on each side on a medium heat, the way you do a pork chop. Don't overcook it, and it came out perfectly. Okay, here it is. This is the world's first crocodile bunny chow. Let's give it a taste.
Yeah.
That's great.